What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of As the Crow Flies Hiking. So today I've got a very fun thing I'd like to show y'all. A while back I was contacted by Sandy at Campy Gear. It says trademark because this is a prototype of a 2-in-1. This is a stove and a heater. And this prototype, it was sent to me. They said they were going to send two to me, a large one. This is the larger size and the smaller size. I believe the Amazon link for the smaller size is now live and you can order off their site, and I'll give you the link below. But this is the larger size. It may be out now, and if it is, I'll send you the link to that and let you see that. But I thought it was a very interesting product. Now, the company, Campy Gear, did not ask me to do a video. They simply wanted my feedback because this is a prototype of the stove that they've been working on. And there are similar stoves out there, but it really caught my attention, caught my eye, and I really wanted to do something to look into it. So my sons and I are out on a kind of car camping adventure. Not something I do a lot, but I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to look at this combo 2-in-1 stove. So as you can see, it's got a spring handle, so it's easy to carry around. Not something for my ultralight backpacking trips, obviously, but it can be carried from your car, and we are basically maybe less than a quarter mile from our vehicle. So I got this that I can carry it with. But then it's also got this built-in cooktop. So check this out. These little folding pieces here, it's a stable cast iron construction. So these pieces can hold a pot, such as this. Any larger size, this is probably about the smallest size that it would carry, and it'll go even further larger. Or if you wanted to do a skillet or pan, you can see it holds it good in place, very stable. And you can fry eggs, bacon, whatever. Tonight, for the menu, I've got some New York strips, so I'm very excited about that. Got them in some Dale's seasoning sauce here from Alabama. So I'm excited to get that on this stove and try it out. But we might cook it on the fire. We hadn't decided yet, but obviously it's got this stove. And on the top, you have a little indicator here for heat and cook. So you open the vent here, and this will allow the heat to come up and give you the heat for the top of the cooking stove. Or you can put it to heat, and then that will allow the heat to kind of convection, conduction, whatever you want to call it. I don't know all the science, but then the heat will come out here. So I understand it's 5,000 BTUs up to 10,000 BTUs, and it will heat somewhere around 250 square feet. So good for us on, 3 people out. It's got this great cable here, and I can't tell you a lot about the science behind these, but essentially you look for something like this. Now this is the Burns-O-Matic, propane, kind of little small tank. Usually I have the Coleman's, but for some reason at this time of year, or whatever's going on, I can't find them. So I had to try this. I was a little nervous at first trying one I've never tried before, but it worked really well. I'm gonna show you how it works, but essentially you just hook the propane onto here like you would any stove, any like 2-burner Coleman stove, and then you're ready to go. What's interesting about this is it has a nice little igniter. So you turn it on to the igniter like you would your grill at home, and then a clicking noise. And that clicking noise has the igniter once the gas is fully enveloped in here. And there you go. You're ready to go. It ignites itself, or you could just use a lighter if you wanted to. And heats up very quickly. And it has a good burn to it. Nice little radiant heat around it. And it's also got a nice safety feature. So it has its feature. So if this thing tilts over or falls, the whole thing cuts off immediately and does not allow gas to come on. So it's, it kind of turns it off. But anyway, a very interesting stove that I've been able to try out from Campy Gear. That's the company there. And I'll show you a little bit how it works here in just a second. But if you're interested in it, I'll put the link below for, I think, the smaller stove. If the larger one is out, then I'll send the one for this one as well. But this is the one I've been looking at. Really excited about it because I don't get to do a lot of car camping, but when I do, it's nice to have something like this. It's a 2-in-1, and you don't have to bring a charcoal grill or something out, or a Coleman 2-burner or something like that. You got both of this you can use for heating and for your stove. All right, guys, now I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to hook up the propane gas to this little valve here, and we're going to show you how the stove top works up here. Boil a little water, and then I'll show you how when you want to use the heater, you just close the vent and then the heat kind of radiates out from there. Let's take a look.